early, me semble.
All right, good morning everyone. Welcome YouTube, welcome Zoom. Bon matin, Mr. Miller. Oui, on est de bonne heure.
Nice.
On aime ça, on aime ça. All right, so welcome everyone. Welcome to the first of the year 2022. We are officially back on YouTube. Yes, after a long break. So we are back. Wow, man, it feels like ages. But hey, I don't even know how YouTube works anymore. It's been so long. So let me figure this thing out. Yeah, okay, perfect. So let me share my screen right now. All right, so welcome to everyone. We are January 25th right now. So we're going to be taking a look at GJ, Gold, GA mainly. If you have any other pair you want to take a look at, don't be shy. You can send a chart using TradingView here. You click on this little camera button here. You're going to click on copy link to the chart image. You're going to delete the first part. You're going to keep the end, the backslash with the X to the other backslash. By the way, this live session is going to be Franglish. I'm going to be bouncing from French to English, trying to answer the most questions as possible. Donc, bonjour et bienvenue à tout le monde. Bienvenue à cette session de trading en direct. On est le 25 janvier. C'est la première de l'année 2022. Donc, je souhaite la bienvenue et une bonne année officiellement. I do wish a happy new year to everyone. A successful trading year. Donc, une année remplie de succès dans le trading pour 2022. Je vous souhaite un bon retour au trading. Donc, on va regarder les paires pound-yen. On va regarder le GA et le Gold principalement. Si vous avez d'autres charts à envoyer, ne vous gênez pas à vous les envoyer. Si vous avez des questions, écrivez-les dans le chat. Ça me fait plaisir de répondre. All right, guys. So don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. So we're going to get started here with GJ. First thing first, let's take a look at this. All right, so let's see what we got here. First of all, let's take a look at the weekly. So if you look at the weekly, we've been trending up on GJ, of course, and now we hit here on the weekly time frame. We hit a double top right here, and since then, now for the past 2 weeks ish, we've been going down. This is a retracement on the weekly time frame and the daily time frame, which is we create a new high. Price needs to come down, form support to go retest the high, but this is on a higher time frame, like on a daily. So that's why it takes a while before we get there. So right now we are trending down based on that retracement, but don't forget that the main trend is still bullish. Okay. So right now we are in that daily golden zone. So we definitely need a daily candle bullish now to confirm that we're going back up. But already on lower time frames, sometimes you can spot area that we're gonna reverse. So let's see if we can find that. If not, we're gonna keep looking at short. So let me do this in French very quickly. Donc, ce qu'on regardait principalement, c'est sur le chart de la semaine. On a créé ce qu'on appelle un double sommet et on a commencé à descendre. Il ne faut pas oublier que la tendance principale reste à la hausse, mais que présentement, dernièrement, on va à la baisse pour vivre le retracement du time frame journalier. Donc, présentement, on est directement dans la Golden Zone. Donc, on regarde pour un support de formule pour aller retester le sommet. Si on brise ce support-ci, on va continuer vers le bas. So, if we do break that daily support here, of course, we're going to continue a little lower. But let's see what we got here on the 4-hour time frame. Donc, si on regarde, so if we do look at the 4-hour time frame, so this is our zone right here. So I'm not going to redo my zone because they are still good. Usually I start from fresh, to be honest. Let me just delete those one. And yeah, those ones still make sense. Yeah, right here. So you can tell that this area was support before, and we did the same thing. We formed a support and we just broke it. So now, did we break that support, come back up here to retest it to continue lower? Very possible. Very possible. Yesterday, ain't gonna lie, I was actually looking of maybe this 4 hour engulfing candle was the reversal to come back up. I was really debating for myself. Had this swing trade idea in mind. It was like break of the high, put stop like right under here, like a 95 pip stop loss for a 321 right here. So this was my swing trade idea. I'm gonna keep that in mind because I want to know in the future if it's gonna work. But right now I didn't execute on that. Bonjour, bonjour, bon matin, Monsieur la Moustache.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. We are back on YouTube.
Yeah, back on YouTube. What's up, YouTube? YouTube fam?
Yeah, let me
Is there
paste.
lots of peeps?
Let me do your picture here. Bam, there we go. So now we're gonna change that.
I'm gonna
Since
change my name. Hey,
all right, all right, all right.
like a DJ kind down, right at the golden zone H1. Yeah, double tap on H1 also.
Yep.
Can we hold 786 on that little M30 push, or are we pushing down towards 153 and under?
Very possible. So now we see this double top right now on H1. So yeah, but to be honest, for me, it's I don't want to be trading this. I'm gonna be trading. I'm gonna be looking at short if we do break this area, retest, and continue down. So definitely. But right now, I'm just gonna let it play and see what's happening with them. So right now, as we speak, I'm not gonna be trading live, but I'm gonna be trading live. But I mean, right now, as we speak, I don't see any trade possible right now on GJ. I don't want to rush into this. Like I said earlier, in some of my IG story, the goal this year is to miss move. And now there's people is gonna be like, "What the fuck?" So yeah, so my goal is to miss move. The reason why is I want to take less trade, better quality trade. All right, so let's see if we have any question before we move to gold. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning. Good morning. Carlis, Larry. Love it. All right, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Donc, n'oubliez pas de cliquer sur like. So if you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the notifications so you'll know next time we go live. And now for this week, we are back for Tuesday, Thursday, starting February 1st. Only going to be streaming one day. After that, it's going to happen on Zoom, and we're going to have some Zoom access possible now. For people who wants to join the Zoom access. All right, so let's talk about gold now. Let's talk about gold and me. Let's.
En 30, on a brisé le sommet, par exemple, sur GG, right?
M30. Ouais. Mais tu sais.
Si on a une bullish candle, là, genre ici, qui est comme le 7, 8, 6, moi j'essaierais peut-être un buy. Tu me suis? On verra là.
Ouais. Ça dépend vraiment de la prochaine. Ça dépend si on brise le neckline ou pas.
Yeah. We'll see.
Yeah. No, it would make sense. So Mark's idea is if we do form support, we just create a new high on 30 minutes. So if we do form support somewhere around here, we can go retest the high and continue higher. It makes sense, but in the meantime, you got to be careful because if we do break the neckline here of this double top, we're coming down. All right, let's take a look at gold. All right, so gold weekly, we are bullish. If you look at the daily now is retracing down, creating that bottom wick, and now we're starting to reject. Yesterday we did close bullish, engulfing candle right above this daily resistance. So it does look like we'll continue up on gold. But right now we're stuck in that H4 range. So we're back at it. So you can tell at 1842, very, very, very strong level right here. So it's holding very, very, very strong. Okay. So basically, I'm not going to be in a rush. Yesterday, I took no trade, so I'm waiting for some nice setups, and gold is not in a nice area right now. Gold's going to be nice. Anything above like 1842, we got some clean range after that. We got a 32 range right here, and after that uh, above 1846 ish, 1847, actually 1848, anything above 1848 after that, if you look left, I mean, you got clean traffic way up there, way up to 1863, 64. So I mean, yeah, it looks pretty good after that. Or maybe shorts, under like 1832-ish, something like that. Yeah, so we'll see. I think we got some. Do we have FOMC tomorrow? I'm gonna have to check news.
Wednesday, I guess.
Wednesday?
Wednesday, 2 p.m. and BUC tomorrow, 10 a.m.
There we go. So perfect. So let's take a look at this. So this is the H4 zone. So we never had a retracement so far in that golden zone. Let's take a look at each one. So we're still back in that range. So all those zones are still good from yesterday. Price didn't move much. So we're jammed in here. And usually that's what happened before FOMC. Gold tends to range. So right now, gold, nothing's happening. Like, not willing to risk trade in this shit. I'm gonna wait for a much cleaner trade, safer trade.
Damn, GG's gold.
What time is it? 7:02. Oh, so the 1 hour just closed. Let's take a look. So
Strong bearish.
H1 strong, yeah, strong bearish here. And right now we're breaking the neckline. Yeah.
Au pire, rendu de 153, man. Il n'y a pas de rush en haut.
Ah, c'est ça qui arrive. So if you missed that move, I think the only other way you can take that move, it was based on this H1 double top. This would have been probably the move, you know, somewhere around here, 30 pips. Yeah, you can aim 153 major QP, and you got a 1.80 risk reward. So yeah, not
En plus,
bad.
la week break le high, c'est pas insane.
Not bad, but not my favorite setup either, right? So
It's early. It's super early.
yeah, it's super early. We're gonna have plenty of opportunities, so don't rush, no FOMO. Let's take a look at GA. GA yesterday was horrible, so hopefully today it's better, but it doesn't look like this. If you look very quickly on the weekly here, yeah, whatever. Not nice. Daily, whew, Jesus. Yeah, not much here. And we're back in that range also in GA. Oh wow. G, let's remove.
Ils sont pas sick, là.
All right, let's remove those zone. Let's do some fresh zone here on GA. Okay. So all right, so this is our most recent resistance right here. This is gonna be our support, most recent one. And we're gonna get this one right here. Yeah, okay. Take a look at H1. Ooh. Actually, let's adjust that right here. And right now, I mean, we're screwed here. We're jammed in that range. Yeah, so nothing nice on J either. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
GJ, US 30. What's your plan on US 30, Phil?
Yep.
Maybe shorts?
Mr. Miller. Oh, so welcome.
My
Oh.
bad. Maybe j'ai pas encore. I haven't checked yet. It's too early, but maybe we're going to see a bounce today again since we bounced yesterday. I'm gonna have to take a look. To be honest.
All right.
Check. You have to look at the daily maybe. If you come back, Sash.
Ouais, la grosse week, man.
Daily.
Oh, daily. Oops. Hold on, wait a second.
Par contre, il y a le open ici, ouais, c'est ça.
Yeah, look at that. See, that's a big level right there.
Yeah.
34 000 aussi is a very, very important level. So we'll have to see. I'll get back to you though. J'ai pas encore fait.
All right.
Le gars pas prêt.
Tabarouette. All right, so let's see if we have any question here. And as you come in on YouTube, we are back. This is the first time we're back for 2022, so welcome back. Don't forget to smash the like button. I would love to see a 100% like ratio. That'll be great for our first time back on YouTube. So let's get the algorithm back on track here. Yeah. We might not see much movement due to FOMC. No, correct. Yes, let's take a look at that actually.
Tout le monde est sur le gros nerf. Hier, ça parlait juste de ça à la radio dans le bureau à mon bot, même genre sur Radio-Canada.
Il parlait de quoi?
Genre de la grosse drop de US 30, la crypto, les taux d'intérêt, les stocks.
Tout le monde capote, là. Kevin Hart qui achète un NFT à 300 000.
Ouais, c'est ça. Moi, j'entends juste dans ma tête des grosses chandelles, des trades rapides. Ouh!
Ouais, c'est ça. Yeah, so yeah. That's gonna be tomorrow, though.
At 8, 9?
I guess so.
Demain, notre journée est scrap.
God, this was... Une chance, j'ai pas pris de trade encore sur mon nouveau challenge.
Ouais, là, ça part le countdown.
Ouais, ben, ouais, c'est ça. Aussitôt que tu prends ton premier trade. Là. Okay, so not much happening today. But tomorrow, definitely... it's at 2 p.m. FOMC. Oh mon Dieu, man. C'est demain les rates pour le Canada.
Yeah.
Ouais,
ça suit souvent avec le US.
Ouais, c'est ça. C'est parce que en plus, j'étais en train de signer mon contrat d'hypothèque de renouvellement. Là. J'étais en train d'essayer de voir je me risque-tu avec un variable ou je prends un fixe.
Ouais, un fixe, hein.
Parce que l'affaire...
Non, pas variable, impossible.
Pourquoi?
Impossible.
Ouais, mais Phil, ouais, mais c'est ça.
Hein? Le Canada va monter entre 3 et 5 fois cette année. C'est pas variable.
Ouais, mais en 3 fois... Ouais, mais est-ce qu'on est d'accord que les taux vont jamais augmenter plus que 0,25 de la shot?
Ouais.
OK. Fait que si je pars à 1,45, là, rajoute 0,75, mettons au maximum, il monte de 0,75 cette année.
Non, le maximum, c'est 5 fois, fait que 1,25.
Maximum 1,25. OK. Mais là, 1,25, j'arrive à 2... J'arrive à quoi? 1.25. J'étais à 2.70, right?
I guess, je sais pas comment ton mortgage rate qui marche.
Mettons j'étais à 1.45 variable. Puis cette année, mettons que tu ajoutes, mettons que tu ajoutes 1.25. 2.70. Mais cette année, je vais quand même avoir sauvé. Bah, non, c'est pas vrai parce que s'il augmente au courant de l'année. Parce que s'il reste.
On augmente demain.
On augmente demain.
On augmente demain, ça.
Ouais.
Dès demain, on commence à augmenter.
Parce que j'essaie de voir, parce qu'à 1.45, juste pendant un an versus 2.90, je sauve au-dessus de 5 000 $ d'intérêt, tu sais.
Ouais, c'est sûr.
Fait que je me disais, même si j'ai une année.
Fixe 3 ans ou fixe 5 ans?
Fixe 5 ans.
Puis c'est combien? 2 points?
2.9. Non, c'est pas vrai. 2.79, excuse.
C'est quand même huge.
2.79 ans, ouais. Parce qu'il y a aussi le bet que les attentes, c'est entre 3 et 5, peut-être 6 cette année. Mais can the market and people take 6 rate hikes this year? Je sais pas. Hein?
C'est impossible, man. Puis, tu sais, puis oublie pas, là, toute l'année passée, ils ont dit qu'elle a augmenté et tout, puis ils n'ont jamais augmenté.
Non, that's not true.
Ben, de pas grand-chose, tu sais.
Mais, ouais, vraiment, je sais pas.
Toi, tu penses vraiment qu'ils vont augmenter 5-6 fois?
Moi, je dis au moins 3-4 fois, for sure. 3-4 fois.
Sorry, guys, we're having a, a mortgage rate discussion. I do apologize. But yeah, if they increase 5 times, that's a lot, man. Like, I heard a lot, like, probably like maximum 3 times. And if they do it, because the reality is, dude, if they increase 5 times this year, there's going to be so much people losing their house.
Yep.
It's going to be insane.
C'est correct, moi je vais m'acheter une maison aussi.
I don't think they can do that. Especially that am I wrong, or the US is looking to probably lock it down? And usually Canada follows, no? Am I wrong, Phil?
No, you're not wrong. Usually Canada follows the Fed, but right now we're ahead of them. We're gonna hike this tomorrow, right? Tomorrow is fully priced in that we're hiking, and then the Fed only starts in March. And I'm honestly, it's just a tough time to get a mortgage right now because we're in a zone where we're hiking, but obviously if something happens, the expectations will change, you know. But again, they've been pretty clear that the goal now, since we're back to full employment in Canada and the States, is to attack inflation. Only way to attack inflation is to raise rates.
Yeah.
What's better, paying more on everything or paying more on your debt and having lower inflation? For people like us, middle class, it's to pay less on everything and pay higher on debt. That's it. And that means people that are over leveraged, that have too much debt, that have a mortgage that they can afford, they will get F to the D this year.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Especially if we start seeing 5 to potentially 6 rate hikes this year.
Yeah, that's
I'll share with you the world interest rate probability that I have on Bloomberg for Canada and US. It's not good for Canada. I saw 6 rate hikes yesterday. UBS is saying 5 rate hikes this year. Like,
wow, are you serious?
Exactly, yeah, Byron. Yeah,
dude. Dude, you know what? You might just save your tattoo on your ass right now, because if you just saved me a lot of money, I'm gonna
Sasha, I'm sending you a picture right now. Okay.
Alors, Sacha,
Because I was just about to sign my new mortgage, 5 years, variable. Because I was just doing the math. I was like, all right, if you increase, like, let's say 1-2 times, by 0.25, I'm still good. I'm still saving thousands of dollars per year, right?
Let me open up my Bloomberg. I'll send it to you.
Wow, that's crazy. But I mean, can you imagine how many people bought houses this year? Like,
a lot, man.
like overpriced. A house that was selling like 300K, they bought it at 500. So a lot of people is over leveraged right now.
Yeah.
Wow. So sorry, guys, we're having a side discussion here because I mean, right now GJ is boring.
For everyone, we're talking about like interest rates.
Yeah, interest rate. It's actually good for everyone. Yeah, definitely. And again, welcome back, everyone on YouTube. This is the first time of 2022. So welcome back. Don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. We want to get the algorithm back on track with us. So that would be amazing. Thank you so much in advance. If you have any question or charts you want to share, don't be shy to post it in the YouTube chat. Wow, man. Okay, I'm really glad I talked to you this morning, Phil.
Yeah, no worries.
God damn.
Let me fire it up. But so the one I have in front of me right now, it's from Friday, okay? And it's saying that right now the current rate is 0.25, okay? And it's saying that by December 2022, we're at 1.75.
What?
So that's 6 rate hikes in 1 year.
That's a lot.
Oh wow, man. Okay, so that means there's a lot of people who's gonna.
Yep.
There's gonna be a house for sale now.
But it depends because, like, for me in the market that I am in Toronto, it doesn't matter because.
Like,
for each home there is here, there's about 15 people that need it. So people are in such a high demand, and there's nothing to sell that it doesn't change anything. But in markets like Montreal, Quebec, smaller towns, yeah, it's gonna be different.
Yeah, it's gonna be different. It might have some, maybe not crazy opportunity, but maybe better deal than we have right now.
Especially in the rental market. Probably in the rental market, yeah.
Because that's it.
Some people are gonna have to turn back to rents. They won't be able to afford a house, so they're gonna be able to charge more on rent.
Yep. Wow.
We'll see, man.
So maybe I'll look for a building then.
Actually, me and my girlfriend actually made an offer last week for a duplex in Toronto, but we didn't get it.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Comment ça va?
We didn't get it.
Oh. Okay, that's interesting.
I think there's a lot of trouble still coming for the units with what they're doing.
Yeah.
They're not helping alleviate debt, and they're creating more debt.
Yeah, that's crazy. Because I think, okay, so then j'ai fixe 2.69, non, 2.69, c'est ça?
Fais tes calculs, ça vaut à peine de sortir la calculette de 10 minutes.
The thing that's tough, though, is that this is what's happening as of today.
Yeah.
Right? But if, like, I don't know, I give you an example. If, like, I almost don't want to say it because I don't want to say that word, but if something else comes out stronger, more, well, then maybe everything's going to change, so that's, maybe things are going to change in the sense that now they cannot do that because people need more financial support. But then inflation goes back up, and the problem is not solved, right? Inflation remains high, and everything is still in the same boat. But then you're stuck with the 5-year commitment. That's why those commitments, like, they get you, because in 5 years, a lot of things can change about the rate.
Yeah.
Look at the people that signed their mortgage in 2019. They signed in December 2019, fix, and then boom, a month later, 3 months later, we go from 1% to 0 in 2 weeks because we slashed interest rates.
Yeah, that's crazy. Like the girl,
So tough.
the girls that doing my mortgage, she signed a 5 years fix when the pandemic was hitting hard. She signed it up fixed 5 years at 1.60 or something like that.
That's great.
I was like, fuck, man, you should have called me.
That's smart. Yeah.
So Sasha, I just sent you something. Go take it. You can open it up on YouTube if you want. Like, it's just the world interest rate probability of Canada. Just go in your message on top left, yeah. Click on that picture. So these are what's happening. So tomorrow, 71% chance of a rate hike of 25 basis points, which will put the implied rate at 0.35 or the target rate at 0.5. And then if you go all the way down, there you go. You see all the incoming exactly.
Holy crap.
All by 25 basis points.
Fuck me. So that's what they're planning.
That's what the curve is saying. That's what the overnight index swaps are showing.
Man, ici, le 99.3 sont presque certains.
Yeah, there you go.
But just based on that picture, Phil, that's then obviously forced to go up base points of 20 to 25 base points.
Exactly, yeah, exactly. But it's the
So
same thing.
you're getting an interest rate hike, that's it.
Exactly. So the implied rate is different, but you see on the right that the moves are all by 25 basis points. So
Exactly.
the current rate is at 25 basis points. So tomorrow with a rate hike, we go to 0.5, and then same thing in March, apparently, same thing in April, same thing in June. So
Wow.
obviously there's gonna be because they're all at the tip, right? So 0.71 plus the 80% gives you technically a 1.5 cut in the next 2 meetings. So that could be one cut tomorrow, and then no cut in March, and then again another cut in April. So yeah, it's all about the implied rate. If you look at a year from now, in December 2022, at 1.5 or 1.5, so that would be 5 increases between 1.5 and 0.25 today. So
Wow, that's
at
insane.
the graph at the bottom, the right axis, it says number of hikes, and then you can see that October seems to be at 6, all the way to the right side.
I'm gonna put a little rectangle for my last puppy.
Yeah, there you go.
Dude, this is okay. So maybe a 3 years fix.
Scary for the US.
The US is the same thing too, Sasha. If I show it to you, it's the same thing.
Wow. So maybe if I take a 3 years fixed, it's gonna be better then.
Yeah, 3 years fix is what?
3 years fix is like 246.
C'est pas si pire pantoute. See, dans les deux cas, check, if you take that 3 year, it's either there's a chance you pay $2,500 more interest, or you save $2,500 interest, but at least it's not $5,000.
Yeah.
And at least it's not freaking 5 years, man. 5 years is a long
5 years, man.
Yeah, because they can go down too after a year or two.
Yeah, you're right, they can. Maybe you know what, like, and this is what it says here, right? It says that we go up by 5 and then we go down.
Yeah.
Right? So maybe it's going to be 4 and then we go down. Definitely something to think about.
Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for that little advice here, because yeah, I need to sign all the papers today, I think, because she was like, "Yeah, I don't want to rush you, but they're looking to."
But it's because he had his very high tomorrow.
She's like, "I don't want to rush you, but I'll send you the paper right now." I was like, "Oh, okay."
Anyways, I made myself coffee.
All right, man. All right, so now let's take a look back at what's going on right now. GJ, so far, not much. The 30 minutes about to close. We're still in that daily golden zone. This is why you see price in this yellow box. This is the daily golden zone right here. And right now we are rejecting this neckline here on the 1 hour double top. So we'll see how it goes. Oops. But so far we're rejecting that QP, which is the 153, 250. Let's go take a look at gold right now, because gold, the 30 minutes about to close. We are ranging small body candle, nothing we can do right here. GA, 30 minutes about to close, bullish, but I mean, we're stuck in that mess. So nothing looking good right now. Bonjour Cliff Me. Salut, salut, j'espère que ça va bien. Salut, salut. All right, so once again, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and activate notifications so you'll know next time we go live. Next time I go live is actually tomorrow night for Forex talk over beer.
Whoop, whoop.
Whoop whoop. Yeah, and let's see. All right, so since we have time, let's go have fun with BTC. Slowly coming. Oh man, Phil got scared. Look at this. We were so
It
close.
was so freaking
We
close.
were so close.
Just a small retracement just to go down hard.
Yeah, exactly. This is just a little H4 retracement here. So how is XRP doing, baby?
I think when Bitcoin is dropping below 33.5K for a longer time, I think this is the cost to produce or to mine one BTC. I'm not 100% sure, but when you break below there, then probably some guys will stop mining BTC because the mining cost will be higher than the
Oh, true. That makes sense.
Then we have big problems.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that's a good
Russia
one.
banned mining, so that was probably also a big reason for the dip.
The what? Sorry.
I think Russia banned Bitcoin mining, so that was probably a large reason for the dip.
Oh boy.
Yeah, because
So it could carry on until that comes out.
Wow. But look at this, man. Yeah. It's gonna be
GJ
nice.
rejecting really hard 250 quarter point.
There we go. I want to see. I would love to see XRP, man, like around 40 cents to buy back again. But now I see this double bottom here on H4, and I'm like, okay, is that my signal to buy again? This daily reject. Oh, god damn. What about Sol?
Jesus.
Everything Sol. I mean, if we hit this is where I'm gonna get in Sol. I don't have any Sol yet. AD is a little lower. ETH rejecting. Man, I had my alert at 2000. Oh well. Oh well, oh well.
Well.
La baleine, la baleine.
Yo, nice swing. She.
She. Yeah, that wasn't so bad.
3-4 de ratio, genre?
Ouais. 4.84.
Oh,
Not bad, hein?
Okay.
OK. Pas pire, pas pire. Je te le dis, ces deux petites crises de paires-là, là, pour les swings, c'est le fun parce que ils te font pas, tu sais, ils font pas trop peur. Tu comprends ce que je veux dire? C'est que c'est pas des malades mentales, là, ça bouge pas de 50 pips en 5 minutes. Fait que,
Ouais.
tu sais, t'as pas le temps d'avoir un arrêt cardiaque, tu sais.
Ouais, genre un gros swing là, de 3-4 jours, c'est 80 pips.
Ah, c'est ça. Fait que, tu sais, c'est quand même. Mais moi, je pense que ces deux paires-là sont le fun. En fait, ces trois paires-là sont quand même cool parce que leur structure est tout le temps bien respectée. Puis, ça permet aux gens de s'habituer, je pense, avec le swing.
Ouais.
Parce que
Puis,
check ça.
tu peux te prendre des belles entrées le soir après souper.
Ouais. Yeah, I kind of like those one for those two pairs, like GN and NZD GPY for swing trade idea, because the structure usually respect really well, like this H4 structure. I've been like backtesting and doing paper trade, swing trade idea on those two pairs for a little while, and it's been working pretty well. So I don't know. Maybe someday I'm gonna start executing on it. I don't know. We'll see. AUD GPY also. Those three. You know. But yeah, interesting. Like just for fun. This one. Yeah, you see. But this one was a smaller body candle. So let's see if there was an entry here on lower time frame. Yeah, right here. At 7 p.m. right here. You can do this right here on the break of the high. Put stop under 48. So let's see if we can, just for paper trade purposes, trade idea, let's see if we can do 3 to 1. Let's see. Curious. All right. Olé, 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 olé.
Ouais, si GG on fait une belle downwick puis on break le high, là, might try a small entry.
C'est quoi, toi?
Si
Ah.
GG fait un beau downwick puis break le high. En même temps, j'aime pas. Ouais, c'est pas un fou setup. J'aime pas la petite zone qu'il y a là.
Ouais. J'attendrai pour le close de 1 heure.
Ouais. Dans 30 minutes.
So if this H1 closed bullish with a nice rejection to the downside, now you have a more solid confirmation to go up. Because that 30 minutes is a small body candle. And I don't like exactly what you said, this area here.
100%.
So I would definitely wait for this H1 candle to close bullish. If it's a medium size candle, you can wait for dogtail setup and you can retest the high. You can have a pretty good setup still.
Sure, ouais, parce qu'en chat, on va avoir une downwick aussi. Ouais. Makes sense.
You know, you have like a 40-ish, 35, 40-ish pip, you know, at least. And I think we can maybe tap at least the major QP, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Vendu.
La 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 la. All right, we need some music. What's up with that? I completely forgot about it.
Yeah, man, Wego, il est pas là pour nous dire yo, man, du beat.
Man, to beat. So let's put some music here.
Let's make some noise.
Music, free, upbeat music, no copyright.
Mathis compte contre moi, moi.
Let me know. Let's drop the sound a little bit. All right, let me know if it's too loud on YouTube or Zoom.
Ah, ça le fait. Je pense que
So YouTube, can you let me know if the music is too loud or not loud enough? Thank you. Or is it okay?
making breaking the eye on GG.
La musique, c'est bien. Merci, Cliff. O'Brien's like, show me one person in the US that is not over leveraged, though. Yeah, I think a lot of people is over leveraged right now. I mean, just here, I know for a fact people bought houses. Like, they were like, house that was selling for $300. I mean, $300,000. And they bought it like for 450 or something like that. You know, they let's say people was able to afford like let's say 350, so they were shopping for a house for 350, but they were a war price, like people were bidding against each other, so they finally got the house, let's say at 390, but they're like this, they're choking their budget. So if interest rate goes up, holy fuck, man.
What's the credit card interest rate in the US?
The credit what?
Well, you know, like your credit card, your that you get from the bank.
Ah, le taux d'endettement.
Oh, the I don't know, what is it in Canada?
What it's called, or what it's based from?
Yeah, what's the credit lending interest rate at the bank?
So it's the same. It's the same in Canada. It's the same. It's 19.99 for all credit cards. Basically, it doesn't go up. It doesn't go up.
Okay,
It's the
so
same. But yeah, so people that have credit card debt, no matter what the rate is, it's 19.99% per year. So it's really, really high.
That's
You can
I'm
apply.
saying, yeah.
Yeah, but you can apply for a credit card that has like half of it. But if you obviously if you apply for a card like that, you have to pay a fee. But the interest rate is lower. But if you have credit card debt, you do that.
Yeah, you see, the US is just always just being based on lending. They'll just continually lend you money. Even if you've got bad rating, they'll continually lend you money.
Yeah.
So in South Africa, if you've got bad lending credit, they stop you. You cannot apply for credit. So they help. You know what I mean? They say no.
Yeah.
You can't get.
Yeah, they say
But
no.
in the US, they just give.
But the US they don't have the same regulatory authorities that we do here. We're really tight on credit. Even here in Toronto, like if you apply, like if you make an offer to become a tenant in a building, you need to show your credit score. And if your credit score is too low, they usually don't give it to you. But in Montreal and Quebec, you don't need to show your credit score. Like there's none of that. So it's just different. We're so similar but different in so many ways.
All right. Il y a du monde qui se demande, là, c'est qui le petit gars intelligent là, qui parle tout le temps? Il faudrait que tu te montres la face, mon film. Là. Oh, so people were asking, who's the smart guy talking about interest rate? That's Mr. Miller right here. That also is going to get his ass with a tattoo if BTC reached 10,000. The same guy.
No. If I help you save money on your mortgage, my ass is not happening.
Awesome.
It's not that painful, Phil. I got a tattoo recently. It's not too bad. It's not on the app.
I was going to say, is it on your butt? If it's not on your butt, don't. Oh, man. So, like, I wouldn't mind, like, FXD. Like, FXD would be, like, FX dog. But it's not your name, because your name is, could be feminine and
yeah, that's funny.
Who's the
Like, not the physical name, it's just say your name yet. So it can be anyways.
I'm going to turn my camera back off. I'm not having a good hair day. In my picture, I got a new headshot, so I'm going to leave the headshot.
All right, G7 Jane Gold is doing fuck all. Slowly coming back up here. It would be a nice setup if it was for the fact that it's just a mess to the left. Like, Hall here is just like, it's so messy. I don't want to be in there. Yeah. I'm being super picky. Yeah, like I'm going to repeat myself, but the goal for this year is to miss move. So, and the reason why is because I want to take less trade, better quality trade. And I want to stick with it because I said that in the past. I was super careful for maybe, a couple weeks-ish. And after that, straight back to a lot of trades, So I need to be, I need to keep it this time. Someone says Dow 30 thoughts. Dow 30, you probably mean US 30? If it's the US 30, we're gonna have Phil and Hugo, who's gonna give us a little. Yeah, okay. So US 30. So yeah, I think Phil and Hugo is working on the US 30 chart right now. So pretty soon, when they're ready, they're gonna let us know, and they're gonna do a breakdown on US 30. Because I personally do not trade US 30, so. But Phil and Hugo has been doing pretty well on US 30 for a while, and they're gonna do a breakdown. Welcome everyone. Welcome. This is first live stream from 2022, so welcome back. Thank you very much for tuning in. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go grab a pre-market fuel right now. I mean, right now I cannot train because I'm so all my muscle are jammed. So I basically went back training Sunday the first time. Yesterday I was like, I told my students like there's nothing on the chart, so I'm gonna go train. So I did train the second day in a row, but already my legs was hurting so bad. And I did another training, and this morning, holy crap, I have a hard time, walking up the stairs. So I definitely cannot train today. Um, so yeah, so I'm gonna take it easy today and come back at it tomorrow. Yeah, let's go get a pre-market fuel. All right. All right, so we're back at it. Very slow market this morning. So what we did, we came out and grabbed some pre-market fuel. So maybe we're gonna throw some on GJ to make it move in gold. But yeah, thanks again, pre-market fuel, for this amazing product. And let's get going. All right, let me mute myself for 1 second. Brian says I should change for mangoes instead of free market fuel. Good morning, Packet Canada. Welcome to the best country in the world. This is where the best opportunity happen. Oh, what a great country. Oh, fuck me. Peter, let's see questions here. What do you think about GJ? I mean, I think we talked about GJ a little bit. So right now, there's nothing we can do. Right now, we are here on H1. So basically, what I'm waiting for this H1 to close bullish. So if this H1 close bullish, I can look of maybe looking for a small position buy because I still don't like the setup 100%. But yeah, I think the range will be good. Probably a 30-ish pip range to go retest this high. So I'm just waiting for this H1 to close. Bum, 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 bum. Tu l'as envoyé où, donc?
No, I didn't say anything. Just go on it.
Okay.
Go on the daily time frame. Back up. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. Zoom out. A lot. More. Okay.
More.
Scroll to the left. Look how like towards. Do you see like we kind of have? I know you're not gonna like it, but
That's fine. No, then do your analysis how you look at US 30.
Look at this. Like,
Do you mind to zoom out again, or you
like
good?
like do you see that kind of? There's a trend over here.
Yeah.
Like, yesterday, like we kind of like broke down and we closed the low. So to me, I think there's more coming, but not just based on this. Also because we closed the low 35.50, which was also a big zone, and 3,400 is the zone that we're gonna have to retest. But unless we break 3,400, if we don't break it, we should remain up. But if we break 3,400 once again, I think we're gonna go down. I know Hugo is coming. He's gonna come talk today. There he is. But like, if we really reject 3,400, that there's definitely upside for today. But if we don't stay above 3,400, I think we're going back to where we're going back to fill that weight. But that's my opinion. Hugo, you want to say what you're seeing?
I'm just about to check it.
Hey, Satch, on aurait hit 10 pips avec mon idée de GG. Live.
Yeah.
Bastache.
Tabarnak!
Oh, mon chum?
Yeah, toi?
Bien sûr.
Mais je pense que tu peux l'avoir avec les haches.
Ah, ben là, la H1 va être énorme. On a la moitié moins de place.
Ok, ça c'est intéressant. Ça. Hey, Phil, check ce que je vais t'envoyer.
Show it on the
Ouais, tu veux te share? Il y a du monde qui voulait savoir pour US 30.
Mais mon analyse n'est pas encore finie. Là, fait que laisse-moi peut-être juste...
Bon. Alright, so we'll be back on US 30.
I like to share my idea with my mate, puis après ça, qui confirme, puis après ça, that's sure.
Ah, les deux, ça, ils sont comme s'ils étaient sur un trading floor. Là.
Ouais, les gars,
Ça fasse à prouver, après ça, on check s'il y a de l'argent dans le compte, puis après ça, le trade est passé.
That's it. Marc qui comprend la game. Calisse quel gars il est là, man.
Ouais, mais tu sais, Marc, moi, honnêtement, ça, là, c'était pas assez hot, là.
Ouais.
En fait, la seule chose qui était le fun, la seule chose qui était cool, c'était Wick, là.
Ouais. Ouais.
Fuck long time, no gulag, Jason. Yeah, it's been a while. It's been a while, so we're back. What do you think about buying gold on next H1 break for further push to 1843 and potential break of daily at 1844? Right now, I mean, if you're trying to buy gold right now, the problem is, you know, if you wait for the break here, the problem is you're right at resistance right here. You know, so it's not clean at all. You're right in that huge H4 rejection zone. Look at this. So if you flip on H4, you're gonna be right here in this shit. So yeah. Above 1843, yes. But right now, up here, way too tight.
Way too tight.
Like, let's say you break the high here, your stop is 30-ish pips, and you only have like 20 pips maybe to the resistance. Not even, you know. This is just 20 pips is the big stretch. Honestly, it's gonna be like 10 pips.
Pardon. Ouais, du GH1, ça serait sick.
What time? 8? Yes. So basically, this is the same area here that we broke and retest. And since in the last time that we reject this area 153, this is where we pushed really hard. So are we gonna do the same thing here?
C'est même un open gap, je sais pas, la chandelle bleue à l'extrémité gauche, je sais pas si c'était un dimanche.
Ouais, là, tu parles?
Ouais, ici, là.
Ouais.
Les open gap, c'est tellement fort.
Le 26 décembre, par exemple, là, tu sais.
Ouais. Peut-être un... ouais.
C'est 26 décembre, le marché était fermé, là, le 25-26, fait que c'est pour ça le gap.
OK. Alright, 15 seconds before the H1 close. Réveillez-vous.
Ah ouais, c'est ça.
Wake up call.
My bad.
Okay. US 30 looking dirty.
Give me one sec there. So maybe if we do wick down, use the dogtail setup, and once we flip, I'm gonna take the entry. I'm gonna take a small entry.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a small entry.
So just wait a second with your US 30 idea.
Yeah, no problem.
aller sur un gars live.
Man, good luck, hey boys. To me, it's too close to the QP, man.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Ouais, mais ça marche pas, Phil, les QP.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
I honestly don't think I'd be trading GG without QP in that.
On appelle ça des niveaux institutionnels. Nous autres, on trade comme les banques.
C'est vrai, ça.
Ouais, pas right now.
Mais tu sais quoi, les banques qui t'ont dit une hostie de stash, mon gars, tu devrais checker ça.
La bank stash.
Swipe up right now, I'm dead.
Swipe up right now. Pour savoir la meilleure stratégie secrète des banques.
Ça fait tellement de...
Tu sais que j'ai... Phil, savais-tu que c'est lui, avec lui que j'ai appris en premier?
Yeah.
Swipe up right now.
Tu vas?
Nick, what a...
Il était sur le floor. Hey, Mitch, t'as-tu des nouvelles de Mitch, man?
Non, même pas. Je sais qu'il travaille à Manufi, je pense. That's it.
C'est Mitch ou Mitch?
Non, un autre gars.
Il est juste dit avec trop de style.
Mitch.
Cool like that.
Mitchell Lincoln.
So I got my mic here. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Man, j'ai hâte d'avoir mes lumières.
Ah, il sac, c'est juste quand il est sur le bord de la lumière qu'il y a de l'air bright.
Ah, merci.
Oh, shit!
C'est fin, c'est gentil. Merci, j'apprécie. Mais c'est parce que quand j'étais jeune, j'aimais jouer au Light Bright.
Ah, hey, yo, on est tous eu un.
Alright, so it looks like GG. Oh.
Il faut faire une plus grosse download que ça, là, comment?
Okay, so meanwhile, let's go with US 30.
US 30 is looking dirty.
So which time frame you want, Hugo?
My main focus is really 30 minutes to see it more clean. So I'll put this here. Okay, so there's you can put the zones that you want. After that, it's really up to you. Me, I got too many to put them on the charts right now. But what I can explain is, okay, if you go maybe on the 1 hour or 4 hour, 1 hour. Okay, so we're still in a downtrend. So we didn't break that high, and we're still respecting here. Yes, the only thing is we had a really big push up. So there's a lot of momentum. So if you do a fib from there to there, there's a golden zone around here.
Tu utilises les fibres sur US 30, ouais?
Wow, le fib 50, man, c'est incredible.
Really well.
So this zones for sure, we can really have a bounce in here. So the play I'm gonna be looking at today. So my bias is still short. So if you do a fib from, I got 2 fib now on the downside. This one you can delete it. There's a zone here, so just be careful in here, around here. If you set a reversal pattern, you get out of the short, maybe looking for a long, depending on the news, on the fundamentals. But here is a zone to watch. And also, yeah, that's it. Here is an order block, so that's it. So after that, I got 2 fibs. First of all, let's start with the main one. It's this one to this one. That's it. So here we can see respected in here. So the fib is working. I always check my fibs to make sure they're working. So right now we're between the 50 and the 382. So here we got a rejection of the golden zone for the downside. So I got another confirmation for my bias to get short Also, if you go on the 30 minute, you will not have them stash, but I got, thanks, Rastash. I got also 2 rejection in here on the 30 minute of the 100 SMA. So this is another confirmation for me. Okay, now if you reduce your fib, no, fuck the trend line.
No, that's correct.
Now, if you reduce your fib in here, just to see on this.
Where?
That England.
Oh, okay.
That's it. So this is for more the lower time frame. So we got a rejection of the safety net, and now we're bouncing in the golden zone. So the only thing I'm gonna wait for today is a break and retest here. So you would say, okay, but you only got one confirmation. No, I got also the 34,000. So this is a pretty big level. All the big players gonna watch that for sure. So that's it. This would be a nice play in here, just to grab this move. If you can get that, you leave a runner if the market still crash, or you can look in here maybe if you got a nice pattern to take a buy. But the main play would be the short end here.
Also, to add to that, no news today, so nothing to be worried about. But obviously, Fed tomorrow, so that's something to remember. Because my guess from yesterday's bounce, which, let's be honest, was crazy, because at that point the Dow was down 1,000 points, and then we ended up 199 points. What I think may be happening is, because stocks were dropping so much, people started thinking that Powell is going to be more dovish and hawkish tomorrow, which means that he's going to say something that will imply that there won't be as many rate hikes this year. And so if that's the case, that's why the stock jumped. Otherwise, I don't know what else it would be unless it's just technical and we rejected the 32,150, but that's my opinion. My opinion, not financial advice. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you guys.
And if you see, like, if we can see maybe, like we always have a backup plan. So if we see a big push up, because we really need to focus on this. We had an enormous push up. It was big. So we really need to be careful. If we start pushing up, we're gonna change our bias and change our ideas. So we're gonna just adapt with the market. So that's it. But the main bias would be the play in here, the short. And if we can get a long in here, that would be amazing too. If we can, if the market gave it to us. And how's the bonds right now?
So the main plan is a break and retest under 34.
Okay. Hey, Nasdaq big est déjà down 2.5%. What the fuck?
Yeah. So, but Nasdaq is tough to base on just from Nasdaq parce que.
Non, je sais, mais Phil, tu penses pas peut-être que si au pre-market, peut-être qu'on va être capable d'aller chercher ce short-là, puis qu'au open, on va être ici, puis que là, on va peut-être bounce. Parce que maybe we're gonna bounce directly at the open. So always be careful at the open, 9:30. Let the storm pass. Stay calm. Let the storm pass. Wait a little bit. Especially if you're beginning with US30. When you know the pair, sometimes it's different, but if you don't know the pair, let really 9:30 pass. Let the market show you what it want to do. Wait for a pullback, and if there's no opportunity, then that's it. It's better to take no trade than a loss.
And you take a look now, we're breaking 34,000.
That's it. So
to take a look at. Merci Hugo.
Merci Hugo. Merci Phil. Thank you Hugo. Thank you Phil. So someone's asking where's Hugo from? It's from Montreal, Canada.
From Laval, tabarnak.
Valorien, on va mettre Laval sur
Douchebag.
Cheers bro.
Oh my god.
Gold clean moon until 1842.80. Yeah, if people wants to scalp it, maybe. I personally don't like it. It's too tight. You're right in this mess. So you want, I personally want better quality setup than quantity setup. What do you think about GJ? I mean, come on, Peter. I mean, you just been asking that, and we talk about GJ many times. We said exactly what we are waiting for. So I'm waiting for Dogtail setup right now. So
Ouais, mais là, on achète-tu? On fait quoi, là?
yeah.
La stage, gros, elle est dans les airs, mon gars. Gros
Ouais, là,
stage
fait
par
pas, je suis pas ici pour apprendre, moi, je suis ici pour faire du cash.
Du cash, du crédit, quelque chose pour faire l'épicerie.
Oh! Il y a du crédit, ça. Il y en a.
Crédit en or, c'est mon fait.
Il n'y a rien de mieux que travailler pour de l'argent que tu as déjà dépensé.
Session, yes, I've
You
gone
say that,
yeah.
but that's literally life, man. It's like, go to work,
For
pay
money
your house,
already.
that's already paid.
Yep.
The problem with gold, when people look at gold, and people lose a lot of money on gold, and the reason why is because gold presents so many opportunities that people go crazy and they jump in all the opportunity. But why the fuck do you want to buy here when you have rejection zone here, rejection zone here, rejection? This is like why, you know? This is a key level also. You're right at 1840. 1840 0 0. The more zero you have, the more strong of a level it is. You know, you're right at it. So why the fuck you want to take a trade here? You know?
Et si tu l'enlèves, il n'y en a pas de zone.
C'est vrai. You know, look at H4. I mean, you're right in this H4, you know, resistance zone. So don't do that to yourself. You know, wait for a safe setup. Do you think it will be easier to trade here or trade once we break this area to go up?
US 30 is rejecting pretty nicely at 34.
Oh, GJ coming up.
Yeah, I think GG's gonna break now.
Je niaiserai pas longtemps si ça gosse.
No, non plus. Yeah, I'm taking a very small entry here.
Ok, vous avez paille?
No, not yet, but about to.
T'as pas break le high.
No,
Live.
it didn't broke. It didn't break yet.
Hey, on trend higher.
Peut-être. La stage qui s'essaye.
La stage comprend la game.
Better luck next time, my friend.
Oh my god. Man, I missed you more.
Quand même mec que je perds aujourd'hui, ça va être une belle game.
Yeah, we-
That's it.
Tout à l'heure, je pogne un los. Oui, on tabarnak, c'était une belle journée.
Tu vas faire l'escalade. Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Vieille calice d'entrée en plus.
Why I'm not able to enter?
Ah,
What the fuck is going on?
what the fuck is going on?
Dude, I'm so mad right now.
Ok, on se téléporte à 10 pips le plus vite possible.
Why it's not working?
Ça, tu vas préparer ses affaires avant, man.
I'm so mad right now.
Yeah, man, for real.
Oublie sur ton sel, au pire.
Je me rappelle pas comment faire.
C'est trop compliqué de rentrer des chiffres. Je suis dans le rouge à côté, même moins un bit. Fuck. Commence à choquer.
Ben, c'est du gros caca en barre, ça. Finally! I'm so late. Like, I'm 4 pips late, probably. God damn it. Oh well.
J'ai 1.75 en jeu.
Oh, j'ai 0.2. Ok, je suis correct. So basically, the idea is to do this right here. Oh.
Man, si ça c'est un 10 pip auto break-even, ça va continuer mon freaking 7 en 7 win. Donc, jinx it.
Ouais, c'est ça. Femme ta gueule.
Hey, mais t'imagines, hein? 2022.
En 2022, le gars, il fait du cash, du crédit, quelque chose pour faire l'épicerie.
Là, j'ai eu le COVID et je peux bien être récompensé un peu.
Hey, tous, ça n'avait pas de l'air drôle.
Aïe, aïe. Yo, ils vont avoir perdu 5 livres en 3 jours.
Ben, voyons donc.
Hey, dude, j'ai eu rough aussi, man.
Je l'ai pogné, c'est fuck off.
Ah, check le gars, c'est qui est cool. Hey, le gars, il est cool en crise, man. Moi, j'aimerais ça être cool comme Hugo, man.
Ouais, mais Hugo, il va se faire vacciner avec un chien dans les mains. Parce que... le COVID, puis il sent rien. Yo, j'ai pas
Ah, c'est bon.
Ah, ça, c'était cœur, là, Max.
Ah, c'est bon, esti.
That's a funny picture.
genre, puis t'as-tu des symptômes? Il est genre, fuck off. Je suis comme bon. On a des chouchous ici.
Ben, j'ai eu des symptômes. Là. Je me suis mouché 2-3 fois dans la journée.
Wow, look at gold, man. When I tell you, don't play around in that range, this is why.
Okay, I'm jumping in the shower and I'll be back in a few.
That's a good thing because you're stinky, bro. I can smell you from here.
Ouais.
Ah ouais, je me suis entraîné un matin, c'est sûr.
Oh, good boy, good puppy, good puppy. Chest, bro, chest, bro.
Ouais, Gold, tu veux trader demain FOMC, là, pas aujourd'hui.
Michelle, I think your light fell off, coach. Yeah. My light definitely fell off. I'm still waiting for my new lights. God damn.
Light is definitely bearish today.
Yeah, light is definitely bearish. Gold will hurt you today from Brian. Yeah. Yeah, Goldman, you want to stay out of this.
Come on, GG.
So, Mark, you should be at 5 pips, no?
Yep, I'm halfway.
Because I'm 3 pips late, that means. So I actually, let me know when you hit yours. I'm gonna get out too because I got a late entry.
Yeah. Running 6
Oh, looking good. 6 good.
You took it, Phil?
No.
Pour un setup facile pour Phil.
No.
Come on, GG.
Bon matin,
les boys.
Ah ben, tabarnache!
La visite,
C'est le return.
Ah ouais, ben oui. C'était supposé recommencer la semaine passée, mais la gastro est rentrée chez nous, puis à 3 enfants, j'ai été une couple de jours dans le caca, comme on peut dire.
Oh boy.
J'ai retardé ma semaine de trading à mon début d'année à cette semaine-là.
Sacrément, je te comprends.
fair enough.
T'en vis pas, en tout cas. Ah ouais.
Je pense que t'as fini, bam, il en reste encore 2.
Ouais, c'est ça. Quand ça commence, là, tu sais que t'as une longue semaine qui s'enligne.
So is the QP gonna hold?
Fucking QP. Mais en même temps, clean traffic, man, on n'est pas censé.
Ah, mais laisse 30 minutes, check ça en arrière de ce clean traffic-là, man.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ouais.
Tu sais? Yeah, I'm not gonna play with this thing long. Because, I mean, we took an impulse entry, so I'm expecting price to push up. Right, so...
J'ai quasiment envie de choquer, mais Chris, je suis pas un pissou. Tu sais, on est en achat en même temps, fait que techniquement, ça prend 2 fois plus de temps qu'un M30. C'est lui. Oh, 822 push is live.
Yep, 822. We're getting close to NY Open now.
Come on.
Wow, gold is back up.
That's a huge weight.
Goddamn gold, man.
Mais ceux qui trade gold, ils ont des nerfs d'acier, mon gars.
Yeah, you gotta wait. It's gonna be nice up here, you know.
Ailleurs, le trade sur GJ ou Asian, c'était sick.
Ouais, man. Je t'emmerde. Et le gars, il mange tout seul, il partage pas, man.
Ah non, Satch est en train de jouer à Destiny. Hein.
Chris. N'empêche que je pense que cette idée de swing-là, elle va être bonne.
Ouais.
So far, mon stop, il n'aurait pas hit, là, parce que mon stop aurait été en dessous ici.
Ah, mais yo, tu hold la marde pendant une style de bout.
Ouais, ben, c'est ça, swing, hein. C'est de la dope.
Swing your nerves.
Ouais. C'est de la dope.
Come on, GJ. Freak. Checker comment que les M30 se close. Hein. Idéalement, il faudrait que les M30 close en haut du quarter point.
Ouais.
Si on veut plus de upside.
Yeah, this 30 minutes needs to be above this quarter points when closing. If not, I'm probably going to get out of that trade. If it start, flipping bearish, this is where I'm getting out because this was an impulse entry and I'm expecting price to continue moving up. But this is also the first aft of this new 1 hour candle.
And we did the downweight. We did broke the high. We did.
Yeah.
Went to like 6 pips in profit. So getting tricky. Tricky.
All right, so welcome everyone. So don't forget to smash the like button, smash the notification bell, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. We're getting back at it. This is the first time of 2022. So make sure you give a like to the video because we want to get the algorithm back on track with us. That'll be very appreciated. Yeah, it doesn't look good now.
Si on avait rentré au close, on aurait eu 11 pips. Mais sans rose que la donne qui aurait été.
Ouais, ça.
Ben moi, j'ai rentré à 153 402 que j'ai rentré. Dans le fond, la 30 minutes, elle a closé en haut de... J'utilise le volume, session volume, là.
OK.
Puis le volume de session, là, il est direct un peu en bas de ça. Puis quand ça a closé là, la 30 minutes a closé en dessous, j'ai pris mon entrée sur le break.
Nice.
Ouais, je suis le runner, là. Il reste 10% qui roule, là.
OK. Le gars ne le dit même pas.
Ben, je t'ai même pas connecté, c'était à jour. Dans le même trade, là, je pensais que vous aviez rentré un peu avant.
Ouais.
Regarde, il n'y a pas Phil, il est pas là, il roule pas avec les volumes aussi, là. Il aurait pu qu'on l'achat.
Non, ils ne veulent pas de même, je pense.
Non. Je les utilise pas tout le temps, les volumes, mais quand je vois qu'il y a un beau break du volume puis qu'il s'assied en haut ou en bas du volume, par session, je vois pas le volume général, je vois vraiment avec la session en cours. Je n'aime pas ça.
Hey, Mr. Jimmy, welcome. All right, so I'm getting out of this trade.
Closing half right now.
Yeah, I did close in full. So minus 6 pips on a small entry.
C'est sorti.
What?
Oh, bonne affaire.
And also, if you look at 4 hours, it's looking like it's going to be closing bearish. So
That's it.
More downside coming, I think. I just saw a headline that the US are ready to go to Ukraine.
Okay.
No. Yeah, you know, with the tension between the Ukraine and Russia.
oh yeah.
Rasputin.
One minute left for that 30-minute to close. Oh, Jimmy Boyd en place.
Ben, tu m'as pas entendu à vous?
Ta famille est là matin, shit.
Ouais, gros stack.
Le pack of fun.
Jimmy, on a fait, je sais pas si t'as entendu, là, on a fait une analyse sur le US 30.
Non, j'étais pas là.
T'étais pas là?
Je viens absolument juste de coup.
Il était parti, il était pas là.
En fait, c'est pas compliqué, on attend un break en bas de 34 000, break retest, puis on va short, le bias et short dessus.
Ça Wakefield?
Ouais. Ben, peut-être pas Wakefield au complet, là. Si tu fais ton golden zone de l'autre bord, c'est sûr qu'on risque d'avoir la résistance au niveau de 33 800 peut-être, 33 750.
All right, so this, je vous interromps 2 secondes.
Yeah.
So this 30-minute candle just closed right now under this QP right now, smaller body candle. So for me, it's no go now for GJ. It might go up, but that's one of the reasons why I got out. Plus this 4 hours closing in 30 minutes. And I don't know. It might retrace all the way up, but if it does, I'm going to be in a trade on the break of the high for sure. But doesn't look good right now.
Alright, so, hey yo, j'ai tellement bien géré mon risque.
Il est excité, là, closé dans le rouge.
Pas pour rien, mon chum, là.
Alright, ben hey, ça a vraiment pas fait mal.
Hey, le gars, il est tight comme... en tout cas.
Ouais,
c'est ça.
Une tête comme Crésus.
Oh, Crésus, c'est tight.
Ah ouais? J'avais jamais entendu entendre ça.
Bienvenus d'entendre Crésus.
All right, so gold looking to break finally this H4 zone, but look at how many rejection there's, you know. Hold on, wait a second. Let me get this thing here.
Gold, là, je suis incapable de jouer. Ah, juste pas grave.
Look at one, what? Okay.
Look at the 4 hour.
So we got,
Rangy.
oh, fuck me.
Rangy.
All right, so we got one rejection, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So is that going to be the 17th time rejecting the same area? I don't know yet, but it doesn't look good right now.
Watch out pour le breakout. Parce que là, en tout cas, hier j'ai vu le spike que ça a fait par en bas pour closer bullish. Là. Parce qu'hier, t'as vu là, comment le candle il était crissement en rejection?
Ouais.
Le daily candle. Il
Ouais.
était super en rejection. Il est venu chercher par en bas et il a closé vraiment strong. Aujourd'hui, il fait la même chose, mais de l'autre part.
Ouais.
Là, je me demande en quelle ligne d'écrire. Mais j'étais encore dans mon bail. Après le breakout, je vais mettre break-even. Puis s'il y a un breakout, mais après le breakout, s'il y en a un, je vais être à break-even. Puis on va laisser couler ça. Mais si tu check à gauche après le breakout, sur Daily, on a un range à fill qui est assez impressionnant. Jusqu'à 18, mettons 18,67 dans ces environs-là. Là, fait que, il y aurait peut-être des beaux bails pour des breakouts.
Oh, absolutely. We're still, you know, we're still in that range, but if you look closely, you can tell that we are also, you know, creating, you know, higher lows.
Absolutely.
Man, if this 4-hour candle close like somewhere around here, it's gonna be beautiful for ducktail setup on that 4-hour. Or break and retest, whatever, on lower time frame.
Whip.
What, you said?
Bon, ben,
Non, il a dit ouais.
c'est un beau trade. Avec le streak, les gars, ils viennent d'être brisés.
Ah, mais tu le jinx.
Ouais, c'est la faute à Phil.
Combien? 6? 5?
Ouais, mais j'avais 8 en 8, mais j'avais 2 trades que j'avais fait durant la semaine que j'ai callé pas. Fait que je me suis dit que j'allais caller ceux que j'avais callé. Ça fait que 6
Non, mais
6.
que tu calls ton trade ou pas, ça te fait-tu de l'argent? C'est ça qui est important.
Ah non, je sais pas, je sais bien, mais techniquement,
Si c'est 8 en 8, that's it, c'est crissement nice.
Ouais, à un moment donné, il fallait que ça pète.
Aïe, man, that's it. Ça donne le momentum pour la nuit.
Ouais, mais c'est une mini perte sur GG.
Puis là, il est back up.
Il est pas parce que Marc a un gros compte. Là.
J'ai pas envie de laisser ça traîner. Surtout que je m'en vais au bureau après ça.
Avec ton télégramme.
Ah, j'ai pas tout de suite, ça avait deux graines dessus, je me suis tourné à la tête. Hein. Imagine, Satch, si comme dans 2 jours, JJ il est rendu à 158, puis on est comme, ouais, tu restes petit beau trade.
Et le gros, man, je te le dis, je le sens que je vais le regretter, ce swing trade-là, de ne pas l'avoir pris.
No regrets.
En tout cas,
ça paye pas ton truc, hein?
Non, sauf que si la Daylish.
déjà là, si tu rentres live, tu ne sais pas que tu étais censé rentrer.
So what I'll do is if this daily candle close bullish, I'm gonna swing GJ. Yeah, if this daily candle close bullish. Yeah. To the moon. Amen. Oh man.
J'accepte.
DJ et EJ sont quand même assez corrélés. Puis là, il y a genre un des setups que je trouve qui est le plus intéressant, c'est quand tu vas chercher le 78.6 d'un gros mouvement. Mettons comme JJ, on est sur la même place aussi. JJ, c'est le 61.8 là.
Yep.
Mais.
C'est beau ça, Sache?
Ouais, c'est un petit paper trade là. Je te dis, ces trois paires-là, c'est ça que je disais au début. Les trois paires GN, NZD GPY puis AUD GPY, je te dis, man, je pense que je vais commencer à trigger des swings parce que les structures sont nice puis ça bouge pas en fou. Fait que t'as pas le temps d'avoir une crise cardiaque pendant ton swing trade. Tu sais, en 3 jours, il va monter de 80 pips. Là. Fait que t'as pas le temps de capoter. Là, tu sais.
En daily, c'est sûr, c'est facile quand ça trend.
Mais non, mais. Ouais, puis il trend toujours. Tu comprends? C'est comme.
Ouais, ok. Ah, ben là, c'est nice, ça fonctionne.
Comme Gold, là, dans le fond.
Ouais, mais en plus, c'est que lui, moi, ce que je regardais beaucoup, c'est la structure de 4 heures. Là. Check les Golden Zones, il marche, mon gars, là, c'est incroyable. Là.
Ouais, quand ça trend, c'est tout le temps là notre tête. Bon, c'est ça pour moi, les gars. Je m'en vais work.
Bon, ben, ciao, man.
Ciao. Bonne journée. On se voit demain.
J'ai envoyé dans le chat le EJ Swing qu'il y avait potentiellement. Ben, ça ressemble un peu à ce que je pense pour JJ. Là. Holy shit! Ça split les screens toute la patente. Mais c'est même pas c'est ça qui est cap, c'est même pas le bon chart. Comment je fais pour t'envoyer juste le.
Il faut que tu le sauvegardes.
Ouais, mais c'est ça que j'ai fait en plus. Si je veux pas t'envoyer le live chart, on dirait que je me rappelle plus. Ah, ok, ben il faut tout faire. Ok, tout faire.
Attends un peu, Marc, es-tu parti de même sans dire bye, ce style-là?
Ben non, il y avait une étudiante.
Ah ouais? Ah, le petit maudit.
Ouais, je peux pas juste envoyer le screenshot.
Sûrement. Non, hein, si tu cliques là-dessus, là, puis tu fais ça.
Ouais, ça va un peu. Là, j'ai le call live, là. On try le 12 pour 1, là. Si j'ai ça, là, sacrément.
Damn, 12 for 1?
Live, on vient de frôler mon entry, fait que ça me fait un peu capoter, là. De 0.12 pips, c'est 0.2 pips, fait que là, je suis un peu tilt, mais je m'attends vraiment à ce qu'on vienne break le H1, le plus bas H1.
Comment t'as pu pogner une entrée là? Je vois aucune wick qui était là.
Ah, j'ai pas l'entrée, là, j'ai même pas entré. J'attends qu'on vienne descendre juste un peu plus bas.
Ah, ok, this is your pending order.
Ouais.
Ah, ok. Nice.
Fait que là, ça, c'est justement 78.6 du daily. Puis, avec d'autres correlations, évidemment, là, mais ça ressemble un peu à ça sur DJ, sauf que DJ t'as le 61.8 puis ça serait comme parfait pour juste impulser un peu plus parce que là, les deux paires, ils ont fait un genre de move en V là, vraiment agressif, c'est-à-dire monte, descend, mais les deux ont comme pas assez de retracement pour trender comme du monde.
Ouais.
Fait que dans tous les cas, même si on descend bearish, je m'attends au moins à ce qu'on forme un peu une structure des plus bas, des hauts de plus en plus bas au minimum. Qui, tant mieux si ça trend par en haut, puis que ça c'était un plus bas. Dans les deux cas, ça make sense, honnêtement.
Nice.
Mettez vos pending en sell, prêt à ce que moi j'achète. Ouais, je checkais GN, puis je checkais ça depuis un bout parce que le price action il est quand même très fluide sur ces des pairs. Hein.
Ouais, vraiment, pour vrai, là. Very nice. Comme ça fait plein que... Ça fait plusieurs que je fais sur lui, puis honnêtement, là...
Hier, j'avais collé dans les jeunes sessions qu'on avait fait le chain traffic. On est venu, mais pas genre, il manquait, je pense, mon stop qui était, pas mon stop, mon pipi qui était dans GQBNDT. Je pensais qu'on serait venu fill tout ça. Finalement, ça a l'air qu'on était arrêté. Ça, c'est bon, ça a l'air qu'on était arrêté de là. Puis je m'attendais fuck all à un reversal, genre en plein milieu de aucune confluence. Là. Honnêtement, ça m'a un peu surpris. Là. Je m'attendais au moins à ce qu'on vienne faire ça. Fait, la seule affaire avec GN, c'est qu'il peut retrace les places de l'info, on dirait que. Ah. Ben, tu sais, ouais, non, en fait, je viens de voir ça, les 61.8. Il y a juste pas, en fait, de résistance support, c'est qui me fuck un peu, mais. Ben ouais, il en manquait pas gros. Moi, c'est un break-even trade. ton buy live de check, je suis comme ouais, ça fait quasiment de sens pour venir.
Ah ouais, vraiment. Hi, Sasha. I'm curious as to how your journey with trading using a trading prop firm has been. Would you say that it has helped build patience for yourself? I only use a prop firm for a couple months. After that, I used my own capital for a while because I got the chance to have a pretty decent capital, so I decided to focus on my capital. But yes, it helped for patience. It helps for rules. Right now, I'm actually doing. I didn't start yet, but some of my students asked me to do a gold challenge. So we're gonna do a challenge on gold. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, it would definitely help to for patience, respecting your rules. Because I mean, you cannot take more than a couple of trades. If not, you're gonna screw up your daily drawdown, right? So you got to be super careful with that. But for me, prop firm, there's a lot of rules, so you got to be very, 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 very careful. I'm a really I'm lunatic, so sometimes I forget stuff, and that's how I screwed up some of the challenge in the past, But hey, it is what it is. But yeah, I basically but use my own capital. But yeah, I did the funding talent like maybe 2 years ago, 3 years ago.
Hey, don't say that name, please.
Something like that. And yeah, I was making pretty good money out of it. That was good. But I wanted to, for me at that time, I was like, let me focus on my own money because I can make 100%, of my profit and I have a decent account. So let me just do this. Now it's a little different because I'm using my capital right now to do some different investment. So that's why if I do the challenge, I might just use that account challenge for a little while since I got my money invested in a different project right now. So It's always nice also to make money with somebody else's money.
Le daily goal, là, sur les funding accounts, là, le daily max drawdown, là,
Ouais.
il est fucking important.
Oh
Parce
ouais.
que leur close, c'est pas le même close que nous autres.
Non, c'est
Je me
ça.
suis fait smash, là, genre, c'était quoi, c'était peut-être 5 mois, là.
Mais surtout si tu...
J'avais acheté mon premier account, j'avais eu 10%, mais à la fin, j'avais pas vu qu'il avait pas passé parce que j'avais un trade que je posais, puis mon TNL, il est tombé à moins 5% à cause que j'avais 3 trades en même temps, mais il a fini quand même en profit.
Ouais.
Là, la journée, elle avait fini pas la leur.
Surtout si tu swing trade, parce que justement, tu as des trades ouverts longtemps. Tu sais, c'est comme moi, one time I got screwed up in that daily drawdown because I took a trade. I took a trade in New York session, and I took a trade in Asian session for the overnight trade, you know, from Asian to New York. And I didn't realize that those two trade was, you know, crossing over the next day. So the next day when I took my trade in New York session, I was in drawdown a little bit before being in profit. And I fucked up the account because it was the daily drawdown got hit. I completely forgot about my overnight trade that was also in drawdown for a little while. So the two combined together kind of screwed up the account. That was
C'est pas qu'est-ce que tu closes, en plus, ça, j'avais pas compris.
Ouais, non, c'est ça.
Qu'est-ce que tu closes, c'est qu'est-ce que ton PNL montre.
Yeah, exactly. So you gotta be very careful with those and read the rules carefully. But yeah. All right, man, we're getting close to 9 a.m.
Le trade en plus qui avait été en drawdown, j'avais laissé runner juste parce que je m'en foutais. Je venais de voir que j'avais break the rule. C'est sur GU, ça a hit 40 000 piastres le trade.
Nice.
Aucun bon sens. Ouais, mais ça a quand même fini par.
Wow, man.
J'ai appris la leçon.
So far,
Guys, me, I'm gonna go.
yeah, take care, buddy.
Everyone, have a good one.
Take care, man.
Ciao. Hey, Jimmy, demain, on fera l'analyse.
Ah, ok, ouais, no stress.
Ciao, Frank.
Ciao.
Ciao, boys.
EJ, this bad boy triggered. Je suis très low risk sur cette position-là, mais vu que le risk reward est fou, ben, ça valait la peine.
Damn, I was going to the Bell Center for the Abs game on Thursday, and damn, it's still not gonna happen. Ouais, à cause, il n'y a pas de nouvelles.
On est tellement pourris cette année, ça n'a pas d'allure.
Ben non, je sais, man.
Je regarde même pas les games, honnêtement.
Hey, moi non plus, man. Et honnêtement, j'ai tellement pas checké de game cette année, là.
Mon gars, on a même pas 9 victoires. On a eu 8 victoires.
Non, j'ai goût de vomir, man.
Ça n'a pas d'allure. Hey. Toronto, let's go, les polices.
Toi, mon esti de traite.
Non. Hey, on a perdu 8-2 contre.
Oh, gold, oh, gold, oh, gold, gold. Let's go. Can we get a trade on gold? Yeah, I need this 4-hour candle to close above.
I'm down with that. Hey, mettons, check ça, mettons. Dans 10 ans, mettons. Puis qu'on set des paires qui ont pas. Genre, qui ont assez de liquidité pour que ça soit tradable, mais pas assez, genre, pour qu'on soit pas capable de les manipuler. On se met toutes des capitales de crise de 1 million. On rentre avec des positions genre de 100 lots, puis on fait bouger le prix jusqu'à temps que ça crise. Parce que chaque position que t'as, genre ton premier buy va être plus bas que ton deuxième. Fait que tu rentres 50 lots, 50 lots, 50 lots, 50 lots, 50 lots. Fait que ta dernière position va être en perte, mais toutes les autres vont être en win.
Ouais.
Puis, c'est bon, ça se fait. J'ai vu du monde faire ça, pas devant ma face, mais en live sur un trading floor. Fait que, genre, ça se fait. C'est ça qui est fou. Ça, je disais dans le disais, ben écoute, si ça va.
Même avec 50 lots, bro, tu fais pas bouger le marché, là, crois-moi.
50, excusez, pas 50 lots, là, effectivement, là, c'est sûr que non, là, c'est clair et net.
Dude,
Ça, je disais,
Anthony's World avec 1000 lots, il fait pas bouger le marché, là.
ouais, c'est ça, peut-être pas sur le FX, là. Probablement pas sur le FX, mais 1000 lots, ouais, il faut peut-être quelqu'un qui rentre d'autre bord, là. Ton liquidity provider, il va te fuck up ton entrée pour aller chercher ce qu'il faut. Ah, ben, peut-être 1000. Ouais.
Ah, il l'a fait, hein.
Hey, c'est de l'argent, sacrément.
Ah, il l'a fait, man.
Il l'a fait, en effet, mais c'était sur une news où il y a le plus de liquidité possible. C'est sûr que son entrée se faisait trigger, ça, c'est sûr. Avec un slip, mais pis ça, si tu rentres avec 1000 lots. Ton spread, c'est 33 000 piastres.
Juste rentrer dans le trade, mon gars. C'est ridicule. Non, that's crazy. All right. Foin. And now gold is rejecting again. The same area. Again and again and again. God damn, am I gonna have a trade this week? Because that GJ trade, I don't really count it. It was like not even 1%. It was like a 0.05% risk. So I don't even consider that a trade. Oh, Mark the Stash is back on YouTube. Whoop whoop. Dude, man. Is that going to be a second day in a row with no trade? I mean, no officially trade. Because that, like I said, that little trade was not really a trade. It was just to be entertained. G still rangy. Gold, nothing. All right, so I guess I'm going to have to close this here. We're going to stay on with the Zoom session. No trade is better than a bad trade, Mark the Stash. Yes, you are definitely right. So thank you for tuning in, guys. Thank you very much. We'll be back on Thursday. And after that, you got to keep in mind, after starting first week of February, I'm only going to be streaming one day. That's going to be on Thursdays. The rest, I'm going to be on Zoom. We're going to have some Zoom access now if people want to join us. And what I'm going to do with FX Dogs Academy, price will increase. So price for the mentorship is going to over $600, I think $625. And you're going to get access to the course if you want for $300. All right, so that's something I'm changing because there's not everyone who wants the mentorship. So I'm going to increase the mentorship. And there's some people who just want the course. And if you want to have access to Zoom, there's going to be possible to do it $50 a month. And you're going to be able to join the Zoom session. But with the Zoom session, you're also going to get at least one simulation per month. So which is a great value, I think. So, all right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow night at Forex Talk over there. Take care. Have a great day.